Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix Deepseek server issue. So if you have landed on Deepseek and it's not working, the servers are not working, particularly there are two main ways that you can see this issue. First of all, you can see it right here on this API platform, but they have temporarily closed it because there were a lot of server issues going on. So Deepseek has, for the time being, close this API platform. So let's leave it right here. But if you go here to start now, and then you're not able to access this page due to the server issue, the servers can be busy or there can be any other technical issues with that, then what you have to do, then I'll tell you how you can sort this issue out. So for that, you need to go here to Hugging Face, and then you have to go here to Spaces, and once when you're here you have to click Deepseek R1. So then it's going to open different phases of Deepseek. Now these are different phases of Deepseek that we can use. For example, I'm going to click here. So here you go. This is just a version of Deepseek, the real original authentic Deepseek that we can use right here, for example. Okay, so we need to load the model. It's going to take some time, but there are other models that are going to, load right away. It's going to take some time. So let's see if there are some other models that does not need that much loading time. Okay, here you go. So this is, just a simple model of Deepseek. So here you go. This is just the same Deepseek that we have right here. So that's it. That's how easy it was. The other way to sort it out was if the API platforms were working, for example, then how do you actually sort this problem out? Then you can go here to open router AI, and then you can write Deepseek here on search models, and it's going to open up Deepseek, server API keys right here. And here, from here, what you need to do is you have to click on API, and then you have to click here on create API. Then it would have created a key which we could have used here on the API platform. But due to the server issues, they have suspended this API platform, so we cannot use it. So that's how you actually do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.